Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're checking out the Acer Nitro 17, a gaming powerhouse that brings premium performance and AI-driven features to the mainstream. With a 17.3-inch screen, AMD's Ryzen 5 8645H and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, this laptop is designed to deliver an immersive gaming experience while providing solid all-around performance. But is it really worth the price tag? Let's find out. The Nitro 17 packs some serious punch under the hood. You get an AMD Ryzen 5 8645HS Hexa-Core processor paired with NVIDIA's RTX 4050 GPU. The Ryzen 5 8645HS features 6 cores, a solid choice for demanding tasks like gaming, creative workloads, and multitasking. It has that AI capability built in, which helps boost performance during resource-heavy activities. When paired with the RTX 4050, it offers a robust gaming experience, especially when combined with the DLSS 3.5 technology, which optimizes frame rates while maintaining high visual quality. For creative tasks, this GPU is capable of handling demanding applications like photo and video editing, though you're not looking at top-tier performance for ultra-heavy workloads. But if you're a gamer or someone who dabbles in content creation, it's more than enough to keep you productive and entertained. The laptop comes equipped with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is a sweet spot for gaming and content creation. This amount of memory ensures smooth multitasking, whether you're running several browser tabs, working on a spreadsheet, or editing photos. The 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD provides ample space for games, software, and media, with fast read-write speeds that translate into snappy performance across the board, reducing load times and helping applications launch quickly. One standout feature is the microSD card reader, perfect for creators on the go, allowing for easy file transfers from cameras or drones. The 17.3-inch Full HD display is where this laptop really shines. With a 165Hz refresh rate, it's excellent for gaming, ensuring smooth visuals during fast-paced action. This is especially important for competitive gamers who rely on precise, fluid gameplay. The 100% sRGB color accuracy ensures vivid, accurate colors, making it a good choice for creators who need color precision, while NVIDIA's G-Sync technology keeps everything tear-free, even during intense action. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or editing videos, the large screen size and smooth refresh rate elevate the overall experience. Real-world performance is impressive, especially for gaming. The Ryzen 5 8645HS and RTX 4050 combo is well-suited for modern titles. You can comfortably play games like Call of Duty Warzone, Cyberpunk 2077, and Alan Wake 2 at 1080p with high settings and solid frame rates. The DLSS 3.5 technology really shines here, boosting performance without compromising too much on image quality. As for the CPU, it handles everyday tasks like browsing with many tabs, office work, and even light video editing without any noticeable lag. For heavier workloads like rendering or 3D modeling, the laptop holds up well, but don't expect it to replace a workstation-class machine. Battery life isn't the Nitro 17's strongest suit, especially considering the power-hungry hardware. With a 17.3-inch screen, a powerful CPU, and a gaming GPU, this laptop isn't built to last an entire day of light use on a single charge. In typical mixed-use scenarios, light office work, streaming, and web browsing, you'll get around 5 to 6 hours of battery life, which is reasonable for a gaming laptop of this size. Under heavier loads, like gaming or video editing, you'll need to plug in for the best performance. Fortunately, charging is relatively quick, and the 65-watt USB-C charging port is a convenient option if you're carrying the laptop around and don't want to lug around a bulky charger. Now, let's talk about cooling and thermals. The Nitro 17 comes with a dual-fan cooling system, along with Vortex Flow technology, which improves airflow and helps keep things cool under heavy loads. During gaming sessions or when exporting video, you might notice some warmth on the keyboard deck and underside, but it never gets uncomfortable. The fan noise is also fairly reasonable. Under lighter tasks, the fans stay silent, but during intense gaming or multitasking, you'll hear them kick in. That said, they're not too loud, which is a win if you don't like constant fan noise. The keyboard on the Nitro 17 feels solid, with decent key travel and responsive feedback. For extended typing sessions, it's comfortable enough, though it's a bit on the stiffer side for those who prefer softer keys. The layout includes a full-sized number pad, which is a nice touch for productivity tasks, though the arrow keys could be a bit more spread out. The trackpad is spacious, accurate, and responsive, with good palm rejection. For those who need extra security, the laptop also offers a fingerprint reader for quick logins. In terms of connectivity, the Nitro 17 has you covered with a good mix of ports. You get a USB Type-C port with USB 4 support, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and even an HDMI 2.1 port for connecting to external monitors. The inclusion of Ethernet is a big plus for online gamers, ensuring stable, high-speed internet connections. Wi-Fi 6E ensures fast wireless speeds, and Bluetooth is on hand for connecting peripherals like headsets or mice. The laptop also supports USB-C charging, which is nice for convenience, especially if you're traveling light. When it comes to portability, the Nitro 17 is on the heavier side. Weighing in at 6.83 pounds, it's definitely not the most travel-friendly laptop out there. If you're looking for something you can easily carry around all day, you might want to consider a more compact gaming or productivity laptop. However, if you primarily game at home or work at a desk, the weight won't be a major issue. So who should consider the Nitro 17? If you're a gamer who wants a large display, high refresh rate, and strong GPU performance at a relatively affordable price, the Nitro 17 is a great option. Creators will appreciate the color accuracy and powerful hardware for photo and video editing tasks. If you're in the market for a gaming laptop with a big screen and excellent performance, this model should definitely be on your radar. But if you're someone who values portability above all else, or if you're looking for a laptop that can last a full day of work on a single charge, you might want to look elsewhere. The Nitro 17 is a bit bulky, and its battery life is more suited to moderate use than heavy, all-day workloads. To wrap things up, the Acer Nitro 17 is a solid gaming laptop with powerful specs, a stunning 165Hz display, and AI-driven features that help enhance gaming and everyday performance. It strikes a good balance between performance and price, making it a fantastic option for gamers and creators alike, though it's not without its trade-offs in terms of portability and battery life. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our in-depth reviews here at Reviewsinside TV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.